How's it going? My name's Bobby, and you're watching Mind Island Design, and today I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. I'm going to zoom in because I cannot stare at this guy's face. And you'll want to begin by creating an adjustment layer and selecting Hue and Saturation. You want to select this hand icon, and with the eyedropper tool, select any of the yellow tones in the teeth you want to remove. And down here on the right, you can see the color selection, the range that we selected. And we can better see by selecting the hue and sliding that slider all the way to the right, and same with saturation. And we can better refine the selection around the teeth. Don't worry about the spill on the outside. We'll deal with that later. So let me just bring these knobs in. So like there looks good, and let's just bring this knob in. Sure. And with the knobs on the inside, these affect how smooth the transition is. So I'm going to pull that out a bit more. So there looks good. You want to bring the hue and saturation back down to 0. So now all we need to do is bring the saturation down. And you can already tell that is whitening the teeth quite a bit. And it's not too much. It's a natural white. If you wanted to, you could also bring up the lightness. So let's do something like 10. So if I hide this effect and turn it back on, you can see that it's already doing this job. But that also did remove some of the yellow from the skin, as you can see. So how we fix that is by selecting our layer mask, holding Command or Control and hitting I to invert that layer. You want to grab your brush tool and make sure that the fill is white. And now let's just zoom in and paint over the teeth. Make sure that your selection or your layer mask is selected and just paint. So yeah, that's how you can easily whiten teeth in Photoshop. I hope this video helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and follow us on all of our social media to stay connected and never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.